We're converting a Ram ProMaster for full-time van life and just installed our Bodega 65-liter 12-volt fridge. So let's check it out. This fridge is a great size, affordable compared to other 12-volt options, and is hardwired directly into our electrical system. It even has a freezer with separate temperature controls. If we don't need the freezer, we can remove the door and turn it into extra fridge space. You can control the temperature directly on the fridge or through its app. Yes, it has an app because it's fancy like that. To secure it, you can either use Bodega's mounting frame or, like us, drill through the 4 built-in holes and screw it directly to the van. It was super easy, although slightly intimidating to do. We're thrilled with how it turned out and can't wait to take it on the road.